Well, there we go, guys. The brand new MD500, far more accurate in the shape from the side as well as the front. It's nice and squashed in there. Super solid landing gear. It just friction fit, no need to screw anything in or glue it. And then if you break it, you can remove it, but it's super solid. You can lift the heli just on the landing gear. It won't fall out. This one, the front presses in, and then the back is under tension. So you open it up slightly, push it in, and the whole thing holds itself together. Of course, this version accommodates all of the Flywing electronics, the bell, which is fitted here. Both FW450s, I've supplied the plates for the version 2.5 and the version 3 because they're slightly different in height. Had to have a bit of creative license here to accommodate all the very wide swash plates. Of course, the bell is very narrow, so it looks a little strange there, but it's not really important at that point. Nice little exhaust there for you. Two options of the tail. I prefer it in the center. Of course, it is on the side on an MD500, but users of the standard small motor can use the standard hardware because the screws are countersunk. But if you've got longer screws, you just print the other tail, and then the fin will go on the side and you can mount it. The tail is of course just mounted with 3 little screws, so it's easy to remove, but super solid. You can lift the heli on here. It's all good, not gonna go anywhere. All up weight in this configuration is 1400 grams with a little 2200. Will fly 8 to 10 minutes. Add 100 grams for the 3000 battery, and then add again 100 grams for FW450 internals. So you would be up at I don't know, 1600 grams, which is nice. Not even going to paint this. I think it looks great as it is. This is just, I printed this in PLA, by the way, and all the glue seams are from the inside, so there's nothing to see. There's no glue to see anywhere. It's just super nice, super tight, and yeah, happy days.